And joining me right now is Dr. Poonam Kalkat, Public Utilities Director for the City of West Palm Beach. Dr. Kalkat, thanks so much for joining us today.
Thank you, Kathleen.
Talk to us real quickly. What is the latest as it relates to the vulnerable populations water advisory?
The water advisory continues to stay in place, so all the vulnerable populations that are listed in the water advisory on our city website, WPB.org, vulnerable populations should follow the same. Just quickly, I'll try to go through the vulnerable populations. Infants, children younger than 6 years of age, nursing mothers, pregnant women, people with liver or kidney disease, people on dialysis, elderly population that may be vulnerable, as well as pets need to be careful about, they shouldn't be drinking this water.
And Doctor, can you give us an update on some of the steps that Public Utilities is taking behind the scenes to remedy the situation?
We are continuing to do the free chlorination in the distribution system, as some residents might have noticed a change in chlorine smell and taste in the water. And we are also doing flushing in our distribution system to pull the water through our furthest distribution points. This morning we have collected samples from the distribution as well as point of entry and raw water, and very thankful for Mayor James as well as EMS Chief Bloomfield, who were able to talk to Palm Beach Sheriff's Office to help us expedite getting these samples to Tallahassee. There are not many labs in the state that do this kind of analysis, toxin analysis, and FDEP, that is Florida Department of Environmental Protection, has a lab in Tallahassee that does toxin analysis. We have been working with them, and our lab manager, John Maxted, actually is en route flying to Tallahassee with PBSO's plane to deliver the samples to the Florida Department of Environmental Protection laboratory, and they will do the analysis. They're aware to try and expedite whatever can be done to get the samples analyzed, and we are hoping we can get results in a day or two. We will sample the same way tomorrow, and PBSO has offered to help us with that, carrying those samples, again flying those samples to Tallahassee to expedite, and then we are hoping that in a couple of days we will have the results, and if all the sample results look clear, then we will be able to lift the water advisory.
There are some residents who have turned to social media and expressed concern about their health. What advice or guidance do you have here?
If they fall in the vulnerable populations that have been listed in the water advisory, they should not drink the water as per the advisory. If they have concerns and they're not in the vulnerable population, they can talk to their physician and see what they're advised. Everybody else who's not in that vulnerable population, the water is okay to drink.
And any updates in terms of the water distribution sites that the city has been hosting? Can we see that tomorrow?
Yes, we have plans to continue distributing water at this time, tomorrow included. The times and dates of when and where the distribution is taking place can be checked out at WPB.org, the city's website.
Dr. Poonam Kalkat, thanks so much.
You're welcome. Thank you.